What do you say?
May I serve you?
Can you who?
May I serve you?
Sell? I don't know, man.
What are you doing?
I don't know. I don't know what you're saying.
No, but what are you doing with this? Stop.
I'm not doing anything with you.
This is private property.
Huh?
You are not allowed to take pictures or videos.
Oh, why not?
Because that's private.
Is that against the law?
Well, that's private over here.
Is this against the law, sir?
Well, I'm asking you what you're doing over here.
Oh, yeah. Well, honestly, that's none of your business.
Well,
Where'd you come from, man? You appeared like a bunny rabbit.
where are you coming from?
You appeared like a bunny rabbit, man, out the bushes.
I'm just asking you. I'm just asking questions.
Yeah.
All my people is afraid inside. They say, what happened? What's going on?
What'd you say?
All my people working inside, they're afraid. They say, what's going on?
Your people?
Yes, employees working inside the company.
Oh, your employees.
Yes.
Oh, I thought you meant like your people, like your family.
No, my family is at home.
Oh, okay. Well, you said your
Yes.
people.
My employees.
I know if you were worried about your people, about your family, I'd understand. But your employees are all grown people. They could take care of themselves.
They're under my responsibility. That's why.
But we're outside of the fence, man.
Okay, but
What's your fear? We're outside the fence.
You're not allowed to be here.
Says who?
Oh, okay, let me call the police then.
No, hold on. Let me ask you something. What law are we breaking, sir? Why would you call the police if we're not breaking the law? Come back. Come back. Please. Oh, look, another one. Damn. They're coming out the woodworks, man. They come out the bushes. They're born from the bushes, dude. They fall out of the tree or something. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
What are you guys doing?
Okay. What are you guys doing?
I just know
What are you guys doing?
You're nosy?
you're looking.
Yeah. Working is not looking outside of the fence, man. Working is inside that facility over there.
I know, but I was. You guys gotta scare me. I know you guys gotta shoot me.
Scare you? Come on, man.
Yeah.
There's no ghost out here.
I don't know. Never know, bro.
Are you afraid of the ghosts or what?
I don't know.
We're not ghosts, man.
Why do you think we're gonna shoot you? I mean, do you think we're criminals? Or?
No, a lot of kicks are coming around.
Oh, after 9/11 and
Yeah.
Did he say we want to shoot him?
A lot of gangster coming around. That's why you're
There's a lot of what?
gangster.
Gangster.
Yeah.
Oh,
Well,
so we look like gangsters, huh?
No. Until I look like this.
We're a couple of guys with professional camera equipment taking photography, and you're telling us that we're looking like
I
gangsters.
didn't say you guys are gangsters. I'd say it's a lot of, you know.
So what you're telling me is the camera makes you fear for your life.
Yeah, I'm scared.
You're scared of the camera.
Yeah,
Do you know that we live in America, sir?
I know.
We live in the land of the free, the home of the brave.
I know.
We're here because people have freedom. They have the freedom.
We have to.
Yeah, we have the freedom to do what we want until we break the law, man, and then we have to pay consequences for that. But until we break the law, we have freedom to do whatever we want, man. So if we want to stand here with a camera and take pictures and use our flashlight and do photography, that's our prerogative.
Okay.
You know?
I'm back to work now.
Yeah.
Thank
No,
you,
but
guys.
I'm just letting you know because
Yeah,
just like you have the same freedom, man.
Yeah, I just know.
well, you're in jail right now, isn't it? No, I mean,
Yeah, man. Don't feel like you have to bow down to everybody's commands. Be a man. Stand up for your rights. give up.
Who knows? I need to give him one of those.
Alright guys, that's GB News First out here at California Armed Forge Corporation. You see if they respect the right to come in public. And all
You want to bother say something or not?
what's up, man?
You want to bother say something or not? I know who you are.
Yeah?
I know what you're doing.
Right on,
I
man.
respect you, brother.
Right on, dude. Jose.
Yeah, Gilbert.
Right on, man.
My boys are, they get nervous, and it's okay.
Yeah.
I told them you're doing you're legit First Amendment audit.
Right on,
You're
dude.
checking on us, so
Oh, hell yeah.
keep doing your job, brother. I know what you're doing.
Right on,
You're
dude.
good.